Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial. I would like to share with you how to create a complicated hip roofing in AutoCAD. So as you can see, I have here already my drawings, which are a series of hip roof. No. So let us start with the tutorial. So let, I have already here prepared the 2D drawings of the edges of the roofing. So let us start with this one. But before that, on visualize, I'll just return this one into the wireframe. So I'm going to input the extrude command, AXT, and then space. So I'm going to extrude this one. And taper, select taper. You have there a specify height of extrusion or direction, path, taper angle or expression. So I'll just select the taper. I'll just type T for the taper angle. I'll just input 60 degrees, then a space, then I'll just type 0.4 or 1 meter, 1 for 1 meter. So the initial tapered roofing is drawn. Okay, so I'll bring back the edit command and then select the offset faces and then select this area here. Notice the highlighted areas. Okay, and then hit the space bar. You have there specified the offset distance. So I'll just input 2 meters. Let us try. And then enter. So there you go. The roofing is now raised to another 2 meters. Then let us repeat the command offset faces from edit command and then space. Select the surface you have to offset. Okay, and then space. And then specify the height. I'll just input 2 again. Okay, so there you go. It raised again. Then repeat the command and select the surface you need to raise. Okay, and then let us input 2 again. Okay, one more. Okay, repeat the offset faces command. Click and then okay, so there you go. So let's see, return to visualize and then select conceptual. So you have there the roofing, the hip roof, complicated hip roof. So let us try again here. Just type ext or at the home you have there create, extrude, select the object, the 2D object, and then the space bar, and then type T for taper, and then let's just input a 60 angle for the taper angle, then let's enter, and then let us input just 1 meter. So we have there, and then let us finish the command by selecting the offset faces and edit under the edit command or solid edit. and then select this face. Notice the highlight, and then space. Specify the distance, let us say 2 meters. So it traced. Let us repeat. Okay. Let us say 5. Let us try just 5. Okay. So there you go. The finished roofing. So this one, let us try this one. This complicated profile. Let us select extrude. Select the profile and space. Just type T for the taper. Angle, let us try 70. Space, and then the height, let us input 2 meters. Okay. And then let us finish the command by selecting offset face from the edit command. Then select the face that you are going to extrude, this one. So notice the highlighted surface, and then space. Specify distance. Let us try 5 meters if it will correctly establish the roofing. Let us try. Okay, and then hit the spacebar. So it didn't. So let us try again. Excuse me. Okay, that was, and then let us try 1. So it didn't go well. Let us try with the 0.5. Okay, it did well. So let us try again 0.5. So the offset face command is under edit, right? Let us try 0.5. Okay. Again here, as you can see, edit and then offset face. Let's try 1 to finish the job. So there you go, the roofing. Okay. So, okay, so I hope you like my tutorial on how to make a heap roof using the extrude command, and then edit and offset surface or offset face under the edit command. So that's all, and thank you for watching.